Hello and welcome to Module 8 of our Cybersecurity Training series. Today, we will explore networking and secure architecture, a foundation every cybersecurity professional must master. Must master. Think of your network as the nervous systems of your organization. If it is weak or exposed, the entire body, your business, you become vulnerable. That is what it is. So let's break down the key components logically and practically as I move you into the network architecture. Now, first, let's start with the OSI modules, right? It may seem academic, right? But in practice, it is a blueprint for troubleshooting and securing networks from the physical layer where cables and signals live to the application layer where your emails and the web applications run. Every layer introduces potential risk, right? Knowing where a failure occurs, whether it's misconfigured router or compromised firewall rule, is essential for incident response. So, switches, routers, and proxies. Each device plays a major role in directing traffic, filtering malicious packets, and segmenting networks. But they only as secure as their configuration. If you do this well, you have a good configuration. A misconfigured firewall is just as dangerous as having no firewall at all. So just be careful when you are looking into this, right? And then securing your network is to protect the network. We rely on the multiple layers of defense when it comes to securing the network. Firewall creates the first line of policy enforcement, who gets in and who gets out. That's a big thing for when we start using the firewall, right? IDS and IPS systems act like security cameras, detecting and even blocking suspicious behavior. Of course, the cameras doesn't block them, right? Wireless security is critical using WPA3 and then the 802, the 1X, which is the radius authentication. We are moving away from radius to diameter, right? Authentication, which defends against rogue access point. VPNs, right? Whether site-to-site or remote-to-site access, creates encrypted tunnels that shield sensitive data from prying eyes. And don't forget that network access control ensure only compliant and secure devices connect to the network. So beyond the tools, secure architecture relies on principles, right? Apply least privilege, give users only the access they truly need. This is what we call the least privilege, right? Embrace zero trust. Never assume trust, always but verify, right? Always verify. I always call it the TNO, trust no one, right? Zero trust, right? And maintain both physical and logical segments so that a breach in one area doesn't cascade into the other. And continuously monitor traffic and then apply updates, because an unpatched network is a hacker's playground. That is always what I say to my people. And then, in summary, network security is not about one tool or one principle. It's always laying defenses logically and consistently. Your ability to design and maintain secure architecture determines the resilience of your entire security posture. And then, and if you find this session insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And join us for the next module as we continue to build your cybersecurity expertise. Thank you.